no, I'm not real thrilled with how they still look. About 2 years ago, I did a video where I painted my kitchen cabinets using the Rustoleum Cabinet Transformations Kit. And then I did another video about 9 months later when I had to touch them up. Several people have asked me recently how I like them now 2 years later, if they're still holding up well, and if I'm happy with the results. The short answer to that is no. Now, don't get me wrong, I like the white. I like that they're lighter in color. Definitely prefer it to that cherry wood original, stock stuff that was in here originally. But it has not held up well at all. You can see behind the door pulls where they've kind of worn down a little bit. There's a lot more scratches in certain areas. And you can see on the paneling and the trim on the doors where they've kind of separated a little bit, and you can see where the paint didn't actually reach all the way in. You can also see the brush strokes a lot more than you could when I originally did it. So I, in good conscience, cannot recommend using the cabinet transformation kits. But if you are going to do this project, get yourself a really good primer. I would prefer the Zinsser brand, but that's just me. You're going to have to do some sanding. Sorry, that's just the reality if you want to do it right. And get a really good paint. Invest in a really high-end paint. I think Valspar makes a good one, as I understand it. Benjamin Moore makes a good one. Sherwin-Williams probably has a good one too, but definitely spend some good money on some good paint so that you don't have to do this again like I'm going to have to do eventually. I don't want to say that. Shush.
What is that for?
That is for the cornbread. Apparently it's got 1 more minute. Y'all want to see my cornbread? I put bacon and cheese in it. Well, let's see what the cornbread looks like, shall we? Oh, it's gonna need a couple more minutes though, I think.